Hi everyone, it's Kyle with Rangeland RV and welcome to the new Rockwood 1940 LTD tent trailer. We're going to go over some features on the outside and inside, and we also showed you how easy it is to set up this tent trailer. Some benefits of a tent trailer are, one, it's super light. This particular one comes at 1,900 pounds dry, so you can tow it with most vehicles, SUVs, minivans, and it still has a ton of sleeping capacity for your whole family. Another great benefit is when you're towing it, it's folded down, so you can still see out your rear window. It's easy, it's only 7 foot wide, so it's easy to maneuver and tow and back up. So it's a great entry point to the camping lifestyle without breaking the bank as well. Checking out some features on the outside here of the 1940 LTD. It comes with a 2-burner removable cooktop. It's prepped for propane on your hookup on the outside as well as the inside. So if you want to cook inside or bring it out here, vice versa. Or if you have a little barbecue, you can still connect your barbecue. That'll feed off your propane bottles in the front. You have some nice 110 outlets if you want to plug in anything. Rockwood gives you a nice barbecue flipper with a bottle opener so you can enjoy some beverages when you're out camping. Some really great features on the front is going to be your power lift system that comes standard in the Rockwood tent trailers. So as you saw in the intro here, we're just standing, flipping a button, raises the whole roof so you're not out there hand cranking it for a really long time. Also putting it down is just a simple button, but if it ever does fail, it has a limited lifetime warranty as well as it has a manual override, so it's really user friendly. As you can see, you have a really nice awning on your front side of your campsite because this is where you're going to be spending most of your time. These poles, it has 2 adjustments, so if you want to put it into the side of the trailer, or it has another set of poles that come straight down if you want to bring your canvas up, so different pitches and stuff like that so you can play with it. New this year is they switched to a 1-piece door, which is really user-friendly to set up. Traditionally you'd have a 2-piece door and you try to connect them and there's extra seals and stuff like that, so 1 piece is really nice. It does open up to a screen door so you can have really nice airflow. A really great benefit with the tent trailers is that when you're towing, it's all folded down so you can still see out of the back of your vehicle and your rear view mirror. Also, it has a ton of sleeping capacity. At 1,600 pounds, you can still sleep 6 adults if you really like each other. So it's a really great way to get out camping with your family. So coming on the inside of the 1940 LTD, this end here features the double bed. They still give you a heated mattress, so you can plug your mattress in. You're going to be nice and toasty. Underneath it is a full plywood decking, so it's really solid. It's going to last a really long time. Over in your kitchen area, so this was the 2-burner stove that was on the outside. You are able to bring it in, and then there is a plug-in for your propane connection, so you can cook in here or heat up some water if you want to make some coffee in the morning. But you have really nice counter space in this floor plan. You do have a freshwater tank as well, so you can wash your dishes, wash your hands, all that stuff. Comes with a furnace. You're going to have a 3-way fridge, so any items that you want to keep cold, it runs off propane, electricity, or battery power, which is really nice. Your canvas materials on the Rockwoods are going to be a vinyl-on material, so it's mold resistant. Also comes with a 5-year warranty against defects from the manufacturer, which is really nice. A really cool feature as well is Rockwood gives you a 25-year warranty on your floor on top of that 1-year or lifetime warranty on your lifts. So you have really good warranty products from the manufacturer, meaning they're building a trailer that they can stand behind as well. So down on this side of the tent trailer, you're going to have your queen mattress. Again, it's heated so you can plug it in. You're going to have your 4-person dinette. What's really nice about tent trailers is you have tons of windows in it. So all these windows here can open up and then you'll have a screen behind it. Or these windows as well too have a clear plastic so they can be closed and you can still have light come in and out. They're tinted as well so you have some privacy, and there's additional curtains if you want to close it up. But when it's super hot out or anything like that, you can have a really nice cross breeze coming throughout the trailer. Keeps it really nice and cool, and you're still getting that camping experience because it's still a step up from a tent as well. I'll show you quickly how easy it is to set up your dinette into additional sleeping area. So Rockwood gives you a removable table, which is nice, so if you want to bring it outside to your campsite you can, but all you're going to do is fold down these legs and then place your table in the middle here. And they also attach, there's Velcro to hold the cushions in spot so they're not all falling apart, but these are also attached as well, so this top piece isn't going to be loose flopping around all the time. And then you lay them down flat And you, again, have a third sleeping area in a really small, lightweight trailer. So it's really sleeper friendly. Thanks for watching this quick video. Please hit that subscribe button, help us get to 1,000 subscribers. Also, we're one of Western Canada's largest tent trailer dealers, and we're going to be doing videos on all the Rockwood floor plans. If you want to see a particular one, leave a comment below and we'll get to it right away. Thanks for watching. Once again, I'm Kyle at Rangeland RV, and happy camping.